Hi guys, my name is Mayank and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about three newsletters that you must subscribe to, and these are three newsletters that have given me immense value since the time I have subscribed to them. And do stay till the end of the video for a bonus tip that I have to get the most out of your newsletters. So the first newsletter that I want to recommend is Variku Wanderings. This is a weekly newsletter by Ankur Variku. If you have been following my channel, you already know that I am a big admirer of Ankur Pariku in the way that he goes about sharing so many of his life lessons so openly with others. So this is a weekly newsletter, and in this newsletter, he gives lessons from his own life. He also gives book recommendations. He also asks you a few questions to think about in life, and sometimes he also shares some stories which might make you think about life in a different way. Uh, Apart from this, he also shares all of the content that he has shared on his social media platforms. So, in case you just missed out on some of his content, or you want to catch up on all the content at one place, whether it is his videos or his Instagram posts or his Twitter threads, everything is just there in one place. So, it just makes it easy for you to access if you are a follower of Ankur Warikoo. The next newsletter that I want to recommend is James Clear's 321 newsletter. Again, if you have been following the channel, you will know that I am a great admirer of James Clear and his book Atomic Habits. So, in this newsletter, it's a weekly one. He shares three ideas, two quotes, and one question to think about during the week. So, the three ideas that he shares are his own ideas, and he just wants you to think about them. These are ideas which might seem very simple, but they have a great impact on your life. He also shares two quotes from other people who are having some kind of success in their fields, so they will definitely make you think and they will help you in your life in some way or the other. And he also asks one question which you might think about. You might not normally think about this question, but if you just try to think about it, it can have a significant impact on your life as well. And the last one is my favorite, and this newsletter is actually a very practical and a very helpful one, because all of us want to stay away from social media. I think many people want to do that, but there are also a few things which are good on social media. For example, there are some great places, there are some great resources for you to gain information. For example, Reddit threads or Twitter, some great Twitter posts and threads. So you don't want to miss out on all those things. So this is a newsletter which is called mailbrew.com, and it really helps you to get all of the different content on social media platforms. It delivers to you in an email form. So it delivers to you the best posts from your favorite Reddit subreddits. It also gives you the best tweets from the accounts that you want to follow. It gives you one daily quote which definitely will help you to think about. And there are also some other customizable things which you can add. For example, you can add some podcasts, YouTube notifications, and RSS feeds. But basically, the purpose of this newsletter is to make you stay away from social media and still you don't miss out on all of the good things which are there on social media. This is a daily newsletter which you can customize as per your need. All of these things, whatever you want, you can customize it. Unfortunately, this newsletter used to be free, but it's not free anymore. I think it's somewhere around $60, 60 US dollars. But I think it is totally worth it because it gives you the great benefit of staying away from the negative parts of social media and still not losing out on the good things from social media. So definitely you must subscribe to this one. I have done it and it has changed my life in great ways. It has given me ideas, it has given me a lot of things to think about. So definitely check this one out as well. And now for the bonus tip which I wanted to share. This bonus tip is about getting the most out of your newsletters. So how you can do it is that you need to create a separate email address for your newsletters. If you have your newsletters delivered on your primary email address, what happens is when you open your email, you are often bombarded with, or you get intimidated with a lot of other things. For example, some other notifications or some kind of payment notifications. These are things which you don't want to see. You just want to focus on your newsletters. So you can create a separate email address for newsletters, and that email will only have the newsletters delivered to you and nothing else. So you can just focus on the newsletters whenever you want to read it. Personally, whenever I go to sleep, before that I get catch up on all of the newsletters which I have subscribed to. So definitely try this one out. And that's all I had for this video. I hope you found something useful from it, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.